Hey y'all, it's Melodye Reynolds. I'm here to do another DIY with you guys. I've got Instagram going too, so I'll be looking at both cameras, giving y'all both some love. But we're going to do a DIY, do-it-yourself, super simple, super simple, super simple. You get the point, I take it. A very easy recipe for an after sun spray that is going to make your skin happy, because if you're like me, you might love the sun, but maybe the sun doesn't always love you. Maybe it's not so kind to you. And you might be like me and you might get bright red and then go back to being completely pale again. So I have a very easy recipe that I'm going to share with you tonight. Let me tell you who I am. I'm Melodye Reynolds, and I am a Young Living wellness advocate, and I just help women to take authority over their faith, their health, and their bank accounts. And so I share all kinds of Bible study things here, and I share health tips, and I share Young Living because I love the products and want everybody to have them in their home. That is the mission of Young Living. We think everybody should have these products in their homes. So I love to show you like simple ways that you can use, especially the oils themselves, but I also love our supplements. We have like hair care products and personal products and makeup. We have everything you can imagine, and it's all toxic free, good for you stuff. Okay, so as you're joining, make sure to say hey. If you're live, if you're on the replay, make sure to say replay so that I can see you. And let me know if you're new. Put new in the comments, and because I just like to see who my newbies are and shout you out and say hello. If you would please share this, that would greatly bless me and hopefully bless other people. And if you're not connected with me and you're kind of interested in this stuff, go ahead and tap on my nose, tap on my picture on Facebook. If you tap on my face, you will be able to follow me, and then you'll see when I go live, because I am always going live. So, hey Christy, good to see you, and Melissa and Vicky and all my peeps on Instagram, good to see you guys too. And make sure if you're here, you know, you can tap the heart button and let me know that you're here. It just makes me happy to see those. You know, just don't give me a mean face, because I don't like mean faces. Okay, so this is a super simple recipe. I do want to share this into my wellness group. I totally forgot to do that. Give me 1 second, if you would give me your grace. I like to do these over here and then share them into my wellness group as well. And I do a lot of teaching in my wellness group, by the way. So if you're not in there and you are not currently a Young Living member, just say add me and we'll get you added. If you're already a member, that the group is closed to those that are current members, but you can always learn from me here, because I do share here, but I do a lot of stuff over there as well. So let me just share this in there. Let's see, share. And we want to go to a group. And I just want to say after sun spray, DIY. All right, group name. Okay, thank you guys for being so patient, and hopefully that shares in there, because I like to let them know when I'm live as well. We have a great community over there. I think you would really love it. We have a lot of fun in there. We share wellness tips, not just essential oils, but anything that like we have found that makes us feel better, we like to share it. So, and we also have fun and like to get to know each other. So hey Rhonda, hey Lisa, good to see you guys. Thank you for honoring me with your time and hopping on with me. I love it when you all are on here live, because then I'm not lonely. Sometimes it's lonely to do these videos and nobody be on here. When I used to do them at like random times, weird times during the day, a lot of times I was by my lonesome. So I'm happy to see y'all. Okay, and if you're on my YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, okay? Because this is going to be everywhere. Anyway, moving on. So a lot of times in the summertime, we're out, right? In the spring, hopefully we're outside, we're enjoying the outside, we're getting some sunshine, getting some vitamin D. Thank you, Vicky, for sharing. Yeah, let me know if you share. Put shared in the comments and I'll shout you out. I appreciate that so much. So we want to be outside, we want to enjoy the outdoors, and hopefully you are applying sunscreen at some point. You do want to get some vitamin D in there, but then put your sunscreen on. You don't want to be out too long. And Young Living does have a toxic-free sunscreen, mineral sunscreen, which is fantastic. I'll be sharing about that in here too, so on everywhere, Instagram, Facebook, wherever I am. But it's a great sunscreen. You don't have to worry about putting it on your kids because there's nothing in there that's going to hurt them. It's really good for the skin. But let's say you forget, or let's say you're out too long, longer than you think, because I don't know about y'all, but if I get around the water, I kind of forget. Even if it's just our little swimming pool in the backyard, I forget. Like, I feel like I'm out there 5 minutes and it's like 5 hours. So then all of a sudden, hello, I'm red all over. Not a fun thing, right? Hey Megan, good to see you. So you can use this to very, very easily spray on after that. So let me show you the 2 Young Living essential oils that I like to put in this, and I'll tell you why. So the first one is lavender, and I know it's backwards. I don't want to mess with the camera, so it's lavender, trust me. And then peppermint essential oil. Both of these actually do come in the starter kit, which I'm always recommending that you get a starter kit. Because you get 11 oils and a diffuser like this one back here, which are fantastic. You can make all kinds of DIY stuff with them. You know, you can do all kinds of things with them. So it's really the best place to start is to get a starter kit. It's well worth it. I have never met anybody that regretted buying their kit. I've only met people that say, I wish I'd got my kit sooner. I'm like, I know, man, me too. Wish I'd known about them earlier. So what we're going to have is these 2 oils. Now, lavender is a very versatile oil. It's great for a lot of things. It can be applied to the skin after spending the day out in the sun. It's going to be very helpful for you. And it can be applied topically to cleanse and soothe minor skin irritations. So this is going to be great to put on after a day in the sun. And then peppermint is very cooling when it's applied to the skin. So you're going to get this, and then you're going to get the little cooling burst there, which, you know, when you've been outside all day and you get really warm, it's nice to have that cool hit your skin. So I am actually using a bottle. This is just a little, where's my top? Here's a little spray bottle that I'm using. This is a Young Living bottle that another product came in. So this one is not glass, but Young Living's plastic is hospital grade plastic. And it's, you know, it's not going to break down like regular plastic would. So I'm okay with using plastic for this. Plus, it's not going to sit in the bottle for a really long time. You know, I'm going to be using it, obviously, throughout the summer. So it's not going to be in there forever. So use glass if you have it. But I like to recycle stuff. So this actually had some Young Living, another product in it that had essential oils in it. So it's safe to use, completely safe. And the thing is, with essential oils, they will suck toxins out of plastic. So if you leave it in plastic and it's not a good plastic, you're going to be getting toxins and putting them into your skin. You don't want to do that, okay? So we're going to take, oh, and you want, I don't have witch hazel. I'm still out. So I do have rubbing alcohol. That's what I'm going to use. I like to add that so that the essential oils have something to grab onto, because oil and water don't mix, and we're going to be putting water in it along with the 2 oils, and the alcohol gives the oils something to grab onto so that when you shake it up, it mixes a little better, okay? So we're just going to take this. We're going to fill it up with water. Hopefully you guys can see and I don't spill it. We shall see. All right, so I filled it up to about here with water. I've got my little syringe. Hey, Megan. And I'm going to, if I can get some alcohol out, I'm going to get, oh, there's a measure. Okay, 2 milliliters of alcohol out. Last night I didn't know how much I was putting in here. Just a little bit. You don't need much. Witch hazel is better if you can use it, but if you don't have it, use what you got. And then I'm going to put 10 drops of lavender in here. So, actually probably 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So 8 drops of that, and I'm going to do 8 drops of peppermint. And I just usually do equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops, 10. I forgot. It's okay. I got overzealous and I put 10 in, and that's quite fine. It'll just be a little more cooling, okay? No problems with that whatsoever. And then I'm going to put the top on. Told y'all this was super easy. Shake it up. And then this is what you're going to spray. Oh, it smells so good. It smells just a little more pepperminty, but that's okay. You're going to just spray that on after a day in the sun, and you will thank me for it. So if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. If you would like to be part of my wellness group and you are not already currently a Young Living member, just say add me in the comments. I'll get you added. If you could share this, I would greatly appreciate it. And tap on my nose if you want to follow me and connect with me and learn more about this stuff. I'm always sharing all kinds of good stuff over here. So if you tap on my nose, you'll see a button that says follow. Hit that follow button, okay? It is so nice after the sun. I highly recommend using this because you're just going to say, after you use it. All right, guys, I will be back on here tomorrow. I've got some teaching on some things to do, so I'll see you then. Bye. Love you guys.